Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Afterpay on DoorDash. First, open your browser and Google Afterpay DoorDash. Scroll down until you find the official link from afterpay.com and tap on that. Here's how it works. You can buy a DoorDash gift card using Afterpay. Just scroll down and you'll see the option to choose a gift card amount. Enter the recipient's information and complete the purchase with Afterpay. After you pay, you'll receive a confirmation email and the recipient will get their card by email too. If you're using the app, just scan the QR code on the site to get started. Then select DoorDash. Pick the amount and you're all set to use it for your next order or send it as a gift. And that's it. That's how to use Afterpay with DoorDash. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.